Since this is the first module, it's appropriate to give you a bit of a heads up about what this module does and how it leads to the rest of a performance measurement and management process in your organization. So overall, we've designed 9 modules which will take you on this journey. We're going to focus in on developing a strategic performance map in this session. We're assuming that you have a strategy already, or you can extract it from the leadership team's current thoughts. But based on this, we can take the rest of the journey. So after we finish this module, you'll be able to progress on in a different sequence perhaps, but eventually develop a balanced scorecard. We're going to take that strategy model and add on performance indicators so you can begin to see how the organization is performing overall. We're going to use the same strategy model to aid in analysis of how well your current processes are supporting your strategic intent. We'll take the strategy objectives down the left with their weightings, and across the top your core processes to identify how well each process supports each strategic objective. Using a similar analysis, we'll be able to take a look at your core projects or initiatives which are focused on helping the organization perform better. And again, taking a look at the same strategic objectives from your strategy model, we'll then take a look at your key projects or initiatives to see how well they focus on the areas of strategic need. Based on this, you can then actually use the same tool to build out an understanding of the ideal organization design around these strategic objectives. Again, we're going to take that strategy model, the objectives down the left, and across the top, take a look at some organization design structures like who has the greatest impact, the failure points, the points of control, and so forth, to begin to determine who should be leading which chunks of your organization. Based on that, you can then begin to develop individuals' accountabilities by taking a look at those same strategic objectives and the same core processes we looked at before, and then assign role clarity based on people's roles within those processes and strategic objectives, and begin determining the performance levels that they need to achieve. This understanding will also help you build out dashboards around the specific processes and where they support the strategic objectives from the original strategy model. And then finally, you'll be able to manage your process improvement initiatives to make sure the initiatives we identified in Module 3 provide the best traction and strategic gain based on the constrained resources that you have in your organization. So the strategy model you're about to build is a foundation for a complete strategy management process within your organization.